Who said vodka sauce only belongs on pasta? In the late 20th century, this silky blend of tomatoes, cream, and a splash of vodka captured hearts from Rome to New York. Some say it was born in Italy, others swear it was perfected in America. But everyone agrees the vodka unlocks a depth of flavor unlike any other. Today, that same luxurious sauce leaves the pasta behind to meet the golden crunch of freshly baked focaccia, a bold union of tradition and temptation.